Hey guys, it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Rockabye TikTok trend. Personally, it's one of my favorites. I really love this trend and it looks pretty difficult, but it's really easy to learn and dance. But before we get started, it would be amazing if you could just subscribe and activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. So if you're already subscribed, let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now, let's go with the first move. So the first thing we're going to do is a wave. We're going to start with our head, and then if you don't know how to do the wave, it's really simple to understand. When your head goes back, you like bend your back to right, and then you just like go down, right? It's not going to look this weird. So instead of doing such a big wave, we're going to like make it smaller. So it's going to look like this. Okay, once again, 1. And then while we do the wave, our hand is going to go, like our finger is going to go from our forehead down, just like that. So 1. So after we do the wave, we're going to do the helicopter. So if you don't know how to do the helicopter or you don't really understand it, I do have a tutorial on my channel. So we're going to do the helicopter for about 1 second, maybe even 2. And then we're gonna sway twice. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. And our hand is gonna look just like this. And there are 2 options. We can put our hand either on our forehead like this or over here. And we're gonna sway 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. And then after this, what we're gonna do is 1, 2. So if you don't really understand how to do this, it's basically just a circle with your shoulders. So basically, it's like when you go like this, you know, you like do like a small circle, right? Same thing. 1, 2. And also, when we do the circle, when we come to the center, we're gonna stop. It's like a stop point, and then we're gonna go back. And then when we go to the center, again we stop and go back. Then after this, we're going to point forward, and we're going to show a heart with our hands. We can do a small wave if we want. It's not really necessary. You can just do like this, however you want. Now, let's do it from the beginning. We're going to practice it just once, and then we're gonna finish the dance. Let's do it from the beginning up to where we have learned. Now, let's go. 1, helicopter, sway. Sway, 1, 2, point, heart. Perfect. Now, after this, what we have to do is press our arms, uncross them, and pretend we have a table here. We're going to push out that table. So, 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now, after this, the only thing we have to do is we're going to put our hands together, and they go over our head, and we're going to do like this small wave. Just like that. So, from here, it's going to look like this. 1, 2. Push over our head. Wave. That's it. Now that we have the whole dance ready, we're going to practice it twice. First, we're going to do it slow, then we're going to do it a little bit faster, and then you'll only have to practice it at the TikTok speed. First, let's do it slow. Let's go. From the beginning. Wave. Helicopter. Sway. Sway. 1, 2, point, heart, 1, 2, 3, over our head, wave. Perfect. And now we're going to do the same thing, but faster. Let's go. Wave, helicopter, sway, sway, 1, 2, forward, heart, 1, 2, 3, over our head, wave. That's it. Make sure to like, subscribe, go follow me on TikTok, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye! Yeah, yeah, oh, oh, yeah, yeah, oh, oh, oh.